11 Elm Place, Greenwich, Connecticut. Located on a private street, 3 blocks from Greenwich Avenue, the train, restaurants, and shops. This condo has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, has this lovely inviting front porch, all hardwood floors throughout, family room or living room depending on how you want to use it, got renovated in '07, dining area, opens to the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, granite countertops, full bath on the first floor, pantry. Let's head up to the second floor. Full bath, medicine cabinet and linen closet behind the door. First bedroom, double closets, pull down attic, additional storage upstairs. Master, 2 closets, 2 exposures, nice and bright. Additional area here, which can be an office, dressing area, another closet. Lovely detail. We'll go down and see the lower level. About 1,200 square feet. Lower level is clean and neat. Laundry area with built-in ironing board. Storage area. Thank you for visiting. Call for a private appointment today.